All right, welcome to day one of Rising Above with Kiddos. It is May 4th, and right now we are just having dinner, chilling. Yo, BK! In the back there, you see my girl Becca? Oh, hey. We are about to get started with our art project. It's about that time. What do you do when you see bullies?
I try. So when I see bullying other people, I say, "Hey, stop that!" And then if they don't stop, I just go tell the teacher. What I would do to stop bullying is I would like make this machine, and whoever stops bullying, the machine will come and it will say please stop bullying, and then it will tell their teacher.
How do you feel about bullying?
I don't people liking each other off because I'm not gonna go to the other people. I like art because the more you try, the more you get better.
Yeah, awesome. I like art.
Because art is so fun. It makes my brain happy, and it make me amazed when they say there's an art class and my mom says I could go to it.
All work. It makes my wall look more cooler and
If I was about to say it.
Miss Becca, what do you love about art?
It's so versatile.
It matches all my moods. I love it. What's your favorite color?
green and blue. I know I put the red out.
Because some people think it's a very nice color.
Red is pretty.
Green.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I'm doing pink.
It's whatever color makes you feel good.
Pink
It doesn't
makes
have
me
to be
feel
red.
good. Pink always makes me feel good. Just because it reminds me of bread.
Favorite color?
We're done, baby. So you're ripping because there's too much.
From the collage.
In general, what's your favorite color?
Prettiest artwork ever. Aqua.
Why aqua?
Because I like the light blue shade.
What'd you say?
Red makes my heart feel good.
Green was so green makes the one. I think it means there's like a painting on the wall, and there's like a paint of the painting. Like say that there's a person on the wall, and I have to put its brain in its head, like closing my eyes.
Say that again.
Abstract art is just about you do random painting and cool designs for it.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, it's cool.
Why do you like it?
It's because it's watery. Yeah.
That's it.
So you're literally
It's watery and fun.
Yeah. Abstract is a lot of colors mixed up together, and it's kind of like scribble scrabble, but there's different colors together.
Okay.
Recycle art is when you take some stuff that are plastic or stuff that go in the recycling and make it into something.
Recycle art.
Recycle art is basically like when you throw a piece of paper in the trash, but you actually just pick it back up. You make something with. It's basically, from my opinion, I think it's kind of take recycling stuff in, and you throw it on a big poster board, then you pick it up, and it makes a very pretty design of art and color, and it's kind of like art. art project.
Awesome.
You like, yeah.
Good.
Like recycle art is when you pick paper or something that needs to be in the recycle, put it in the recycle, and then like you get it out the recycle and make a picture with it, and then you paint on it. And then that's it. Build the school.
Right. They don't even, some of them don't even have a school to go to. So that's why what you did for art class and raising all that money was super important. So how does it make you feel knowing that you did community service and gave back to people around the world?
Happy.
It makes you happy?
Yes.
Why do you think community service is important?
Because it helps people that don't have that much money,
What else?
and people like kids that are in orphanage. They don't have parents, so sometimes it helps the kids get a parent, like a dad or mom.
This is important.
Because I don't like when people get hurt.
So you want to give back to the different kinds of people? All right.
Because you're giving stuff to other people that don't have anything, and it's really nice to give stuff that you don't play with or use anymore to other people.
It's important.
Because like if people feel sad, you shouldn't make them more sad by doing mean things.
Why do you think it's important to give back?
Because people should share to each other.
Why do you think it's important for us to do community service?
Because it
I can't hear you.
will keep us safe.
Uh-huh. And what do you think when we do good things for other people, how do you think that makes them feel?
Happy.
It makes them happy. Do you like doing things to make other people happy?
Yes.
Is that something that's important to you?
Yes.
Why?
Because there's going everybody's going say thank you to all of us.
Do you like doing community service?
Oh yeah, a lot of times they do it. Most of the times at home. I mean, it's like they're fun. Because I feel bad for the homeless people. That's why I want.
You want to help them?
Give them money. Then they can stay alive.
Community service is when you do good things for the community or when you give back to people in need.
I just don't want people to be homeless.
Floats for dessert. Did you enjoy yourself today? Was it a lot of fun? Ethan?
Yeah. And to people in Haiti.
Oh, awesome. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
One,
2, 3.
Right!